So now to get into the squat, we're going to focus on the grip and the positioning. So in order to grip the bar, we want to focus on creating a shelf for the bar to rest on our back. Now the bar is going to rest on your traps or your trapezius muscles on a shelf right here. And the way you're going to do that, it's very simple, is you're going to grip the bar in a narrow position, right? If you go too wide, then your back does not pinch properly and you can't rest the bar on your traps properly. So what I always recommend is measuring your shoulder width and then going maybe half a thumb outside of your shoulder width based off of the knurling. Now, again, this is something you can experiment with as you get more advanced, but focus on going as narrow as you comfortably can without necessarily pinching your shoulders. So grip the bar and you're going to step under the bar, pinch your shoulder blades together, and position the bar on your traps. Next, you're going to stand right under the bar, stand up, and that's how you unrack the squat. So now that you've unracked the squat, you're going to take 2 steps back and then 1 small step. Now, the important thing, why I'm emphasizing your step back, is because all of this needs to become extremely routine. Finally, you need to find your stance. Now, everybody's stance is going to be different, and this is something you need to play with. Some people with shorter femurs can have their toes pointed straight out in front of them. Some people with longer femurs need to angle their toes out wider and wider. This is what my mobility allows for, and this is what is comfortable. I'm positioning my weight not completely in my heels to where I can lift my toes off of the ground, and not completely in my midfoot, somewhere between my heel and my midfoot. Next, when you're going to descend on the squat, you're not going to initiate the movement with your knees. You're not initiating with your knees. You initiate with your hips. Slight bend in the hips, and then straight down, straight up. Slight bend in the knee or in the hips, straight down, explode up. Control on the way down. Maximum knee over toe translation, explode up.